I think we need to keep in mind that for young children, parents are omnipotent. So the only possible explanation for being left is that the parent wanted to leave them. Mm-hmm. So in our treatment, when you asked about how we use the treatment, we need to address the false beliefs that the child creates in her mind as a result of her cognitive immaturity. Your mommy really, 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 really did not want to be away from you, but the doctor had to cure her, and the doctor had to cure you. And children often look at us as if we are revealing a new world to them, because we are dispelling convictions that they had, that it was their fault that they were left. And that in turn leads to repair.